Hello guys, welcome back to Soul with me and I hope you all are doing well. If you're somebody new to my channel, just let me tell you very short lines about me. My name is Nida and I make videos all about my life in Berlin, many informative videos about living in Berlin and also my travels. So let's get started now. As you can see today from the title of this video, I'm going to go grocery shopping and I'm going to show you what are all the groceries that you can match very close to the Indian ones and which you can substitute maybe also in with the Indian products which are not available here. And also I will show you a lot of things which you can pick from the grocery store and definitely you're gonna eat. Find out all this, we have to go to the grocery store now, and this video is going to be very helpful for those who are figuring out what to pick from the local groceries, because every time going to Indian grocery store and getting things from there, purchasing everything is definitely going to be really very costly. So that's why we have to rely on the local grocery stores here. So yeah, this video is going to be helpful for them who are looking for more or less the products which are like really close to the Indian taste. So let's go now. Whenever you take a cart, you always have to get a coin. By chance, if you forget your coin, then you can go inside the railway and you can ask them for a coin. They will give you a plastic coin which are just put inside. I already put inside, that's why I can't show you. Otherwise, there is this plastic coin which you can use also later. So we're gonna first of all recycle our bottles. These are plastic bottles, so these are recyclable. Starting from the very first product that I'm gonna show you is, I don't really suggest to take this product, but if you're looking for something dolda, which we call it in India dolda, then you gonna get here as well a kind of dolda which is kind of kuchen butter, kuchen bacon butter, which is this one. So this one is equals to Indian dolda. And now moving towards this quick eats, actually you can get here Indian style chicken tikka. This is a quick eat for you if you are craving for some chicken tikka, and also here also you have a butter chicken. You also have some Asian which are like, yeah, you will definitely like the taste, so you can definitely try this out. So these are almost 3.99 euro for each. Then I'm gonna also tell you this garlic bread, which is really good in taste. If you are craving for some bread in the evenings or in the mornings, then I would definitely recommend to take this garlic bread. There are different companies. This is which costs you 59 cents. The other type of product is this bread. Actually this is very close to the the milk bread in India. So this is Reve premium bread and it is sweet when you eat it. So it's sweet and you can actually eat it directly, or you can apply some jam on top of it, or you can also dip it in the milk and can eat this one. So super broker Reve premium, and this will cost you, I think, 2.99 I guess each bread. The yogurt which is like very thick and which can be used in all the gravies is this yogurt, Grave Best Vale yogurt. I usually use this, or otherwise the yogurt. These are two yogurts which are very thick and you can use in your making some damalu or any other gravies. So yeah, also keep this in mind. Section is especially the Asian section as well. Here you get different paste. This is korma curry paste and this is tandoori marination. As you can see, this is tandoori marination paste. And yeah, basically these are all the Indian close to the Indian curries that you can just take home and quickly do it. And also there is chapati, so they say it as a chapati, which is to discover India. So this is also a chapati. And then what else? If you want to get a basmati rice, because the basmati rice India get are the other quality of basmati rice, it's gonna cost you a lot here. But this quality rice of the simple basmati rice, which gonna cost you €2. So this just gonna cost you €2, and these are really close to the Indian basmati. And if you are also looking for coconut milk, then here is the couscous milk. So you usually get it in I'll turn around and show you. So these are different. This is couscous cream, and this is actually couscous milk, which is coconut milk. And basically here you can get the coconut milk. This is not fresh coconut milk, but it will do the job. Find Thai curry paste, and as you can see, this Thai curry paste is with all those Indian spices. This is also like really tasty if you actually cook it properly with adding some more vegetables to it. It will really taste good. And also this one, green Thai curry paste, I have tried this as well. This is also good. So you can just bring it and add some vegetables and some coconut milk to it, and it will be done. This one is salty biscuits, which you can actually take with tea. So these are also really tasty. And also guys, if you are looking for this filter, which is like really important in Indian homes, then you should definitely come and buy it in the railway. It's gonna cost a bit for you, €8, but this is of really good quality. And you also get plasma in the tin, which is, you can use it. I mean, it tastes same as the one that you take raw, just boiled in a tin. And so this is also a quick thing that you can do if you want to make rajma. So guys, we are done with our shopping and we are leaving railway. I hope you have learned many things that you can still get from a local railway store, which can act as a substitute to the Indian products. Thanks for watching guys. See you again next week. Bye.